to your girl Vibinwithtrena. I'm gonna show you guys how to make some Jamaican carrot drink. Yeah, so we are gonna squeeze some carrot, make some Jamaican carrot juice, right? So we need your carrot, some Jamaican rum, and some vanilla extra. We made Guinness. And some condensed milk. That's a sweet milk. It's very thick. And we're gonna need some nutmeg. They do sell some nutmeg in the bottle, like they started powdery, or you could use just the nutmeg itself from scratch, and you could grate it. And I'm gonna use my juicer. Okay, I have a juicer that I'm gonna use. But you guys, if you have a blender, you can use a blender and blend your carrot as well, and then you squeeze it to get the juice out. But I'm going to use a squeezer, which is very easy for me. Okay? So now you guys will take notes, and we are going to begin. Use our mug, which is very easy to use. Okay, guys, so we are going to start. We're going to turn it on. Okay, guys, so we're done. So we're gonna add some water to it. That's 4 cups. We're finished. So we're just adding the ingredients in there now. So I'm gonna add the Guinness in there. I'm adding 2. Okay, we're gonna add a vanilla. That's 1 tablespoon. condensed milk. That's the condensed milk, as you can see. It's very thick. How many carrots you're using depends on how many condensed milk you're gonna need to sweeten it. Okay, I'm using 1 for now just to see. Then you're gonna add the rum. So I had 2 tablespoons of rum. This is Jamaican rum. They have the original Jamaican rum, but this is a dark rum. Okay, so this is rum. So I had 2 tablespoons of rum. I'm gonna add another condensed milk in there because it depends on how many carrot juice I'm making. Remember, this is a nutmeg, okay? So remember when I was juicing it, I used the other nutmeg. So if you did not use that one, once you're putting all the ingredients in there, you'll sprinkle some of this in there as well, okay? So that's what all you'll be able to use the powder one. I'll put a little ice. Stir it up a little bit with the ice in it. Give it a little chill. Cover that. Then we're gonna very rich. So we are finished. This is the result. Thank you guys for vibing with me. I appreciate you guys, and I hope to see you guys in another video. And this is how you make the authentic Jamaican carrot drink. All the ingredients that I showed you guys. Enjoy, try it, you will be disappointed. See you guys in another video.